Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial. Today we're going to show you the heading element. Click on the plus icon and search for heading. In the title panel, write your heading and change the HTML tag. To link your heading, click and insert your URL. In the Style tab, you can change the text alignment and adjust it for a responsive device. Change the color from the given options. The typography panel gives you reach options where you can select the font, font weight, size, transformation, style, decorations, line height, and letter spacing. You can add text shadows from the text shadow panel. To add a text background, enable this option and select a color from the color picker. You can add an image and blend it with the color as well. You can also use gradient to set starting colors and ending color. Set the gradient type. And other options are available to make your gradient versatile. You can also set the hover behavior of heading element. Same styling options are available here. Advanced tab is common everywhere, and we have a dedicated video for this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.